What's going on, YouTube? Stu here, and of course, Beastie is outside. I know it's been a while. I have been tending to my puppy, but this is going to be my very first video where I actually do something with Beastie. And what initially has happened was about a year ago, I updated my headlights, the LED lights that I had. I had some LED lights off of Amazon a couple of years ago, and they did good like for the first 6 months, but I decided to give LASFIT a try, and they lasted for about a year. And I was driving the other night and I saw that one of my headlights was out, so I contacted LASFIT, let them know, and so now I'm going to replace them with, they were very speedy in their response. They came yesterday, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change them out. So hit the intro. Ooh, I haven't seen the intro in a while. Long while. So, as you can see, this is Jago the puppy. Wait, hold on, let me see if... Yep, that is Jago the puppy. He looks very innocent right now. He's 5 months old, and he is a beast at 5 months. So, that's him. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside. Well, we are outside. We're gonna go over to the truck, and I'm going to attempt, yeah, this might be a bad idea, but I'm gonna attempt, that's his doghouse. I'm gonna attempt to change my headlights with this puppy. Terror. Yeah, okay, it's all to him, Jago. All right. All right, so I'm going to show you what comes with this LASFIT Pro. Let's see, we got, ooh, the unboxing. Okay, we got a couple of nice little stickers over here. We got that, okay. Let's see what else we got here. We got the LASFIT Pro. And we got the whole attachment here. So basically, all it is a plug and play. So you plug this up, put your LED in there, and of course this is the back housing. The only thing is you want to make sure, obviously, that this is down when you install it. So other than that, pretty simple. What we're gonna do, hey killer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew this, pull it back, and replace my headlight. So pretty simple. These bolts, you unscrew them, pull that back, and we should be good to go. Okay, so this is the old LASFIT that I had. Small different variations, I should say, slightly different. It only looks like this, you know, they went ahead and put the full cover over the wires and then added an attachment, but it looks like the actual light is not that much difference. This is the new one. This is the old one. Well, yeah. Same style casings, but that's the difference. So per LASFIT's request, they asked that I cut this and send them a picture of it, so I will do that. And then we're just going to replace this and call it a day. Well, as you know, we're going to replace both of them because it just doesn't make sense to change one out without the other. It's like eating peanut butter without the jelly. So let's get to it. And of course, the ever so watchful gaze of Jago. He doesn't miss a thing. Just so you see exactly where we are. Let's see. All right, that's obviously a connection plug. And that is where the house, the light does, where the light is housed at. It's right there. So we're gonna put this guy back up in there. Oh, that's a lot better. All right, yeah, that's a whole lot better. All right, so what we do is we ever so carefully, as to not touch the LED or let anything touch it, put it back in the housing. So the bad one is out, the new one is in. There's nothing very hard about it. Obviously, it's just your wrist is playing a contortionist game. But the only other thing is always remember that it's polarity sensitive with these LASFITs. If you turn your lights on and it doesn't work, then that's normally what it is you just need to flip the polarity. If you can see it on the truck, this is the positive, this is the negative, and obviously when I am underneath the vehicle, it's kind of hard to see, but you got a 50-50 chance the first time, and then the second time you got 100%, so that's pretty much it. And just in case if you haven't seen it in my previous videos, you can go about taking all this off to get to your headlight if you want to, or you can go in under behind your tire and inside your tire well. You have one screw here, one screw here, and a bolt also here. Then you have that there that you have to unplug, and you have access to your headlights. Very easy, very simple. Way easier than taking off all of that. So happy when you eat. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to catch all the new videos. Sorry, I've been slipping.